Hello everyone, today is Brochure Tour Day and we go back to 1980. This brochure was printed in August of 1980. It is the Ford Escort, the New World car, built to take on the world. First and foremost, we have it on a blanket of snow on an uphill climb, covered in a car cover that is representative of a bunch of different countries' flags. Alrighty, so here we go. We can already see we have a white car, has aluminum wheels, red interior, and the stainless steel here. We're going to get into all this here. And here the first page is actually the engineering teams from America and overseas that joined forces to create a car built with better ideas from around the world. And it folds out. That's what it does. Alrighty. Big fold out poster style. Alright, on with the tour. Built in America to take on the world. Of course, it had new engines here. Had the 3-valve hemispherical head compound engine. Front wheel drive with fully independent suspensions. And of course you had different body styles here. The station wagon here. Alright, let's start off with the, I am all over the place here. Start off with the LX here. Top of the line. This is in black with the saddle interior. As you can see here. Actually, it's a GLX. 3-door hatchback. Next page is the interior. Real nice red interior. Of course, ergonomics was a big thing back when they were developing this car. So they spent a lot of focus and energy on ergonomics, driver's line of sight, and all that kind of stuff, as well as standard and optional equipment that could be available on this car. This is actually a pretty well-equipped vehicle. You can see it has cruise control, the full instrumentation package with the tachometer. You've also got this digital clock up here that also has a stopwatch and calendar with date and time. Audio controls. You got climate controls with air conditioning. You had a vehicle diagnostic system here that had little LED readouts for low fuel, open door, open hood, and all that kind of stuff. Here's a 4-speed manual. Reclining seats. And these really nice cloth seats. You can actually see a lot, interpret a lot in a photograph here of what's available in this car. Economy car from the 1980s. Here is the GL. This is kind of the middle of the run. A lot of people probably would have ordered a GL, and I love this yellow color here. And I love these wheels. Black vinyl interior. You also had a GL station wagon, of course, in bright blue. And the Escort L. This is a base car, but I love the two-tone black and silver divided with this red pinstripe here. It is a Escort L 3-door in two-tone black over silver metallic, and high-back bucket seats in medium red with a slot pattern vinyl, and a bunch of different standard equipment here. Had the measurements, maintenance schedules, gas mileage, corrosion warranty, all that kind of stuff. And then over here is all of our comfort and convenience options. You can get an AM/FM cassette player, air conditioning, sunroof. Also get cruise control, a full center console with a diagnostic system here. Here's your instrument cluster here with a tachometer, fuel and temperature gauge, 85 mile/hour speedometer, assorted warning lights and all that kind of stuff. Different wheels, and a rear wiper. Here's the back page, all the different body styles of the Escort. And there we go. That concludes our tour of the 1980 Ford Escort brochure. We hope you liked the video, and if you did, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and Instagram at BrentoJ1. And of course, as always, Thanks for watching.